Well, just when you thought the Donald Trump legal saga couldn't get any more dramatic, there's always a new plot twist. Prosecutors have now rolled out some fresh evidence in the former president's ongoing election subversion case, and this time they're accusing Trump of something pretty bold, resorting to actual crimes to cling to power. The January 6 riots and storming of Capitol Hill by Trump supporters was a daunting experience for America. But now a new report tells us that the incriminating details that led to such a massacre. The special counsel led by Jack Smith unsealed a 165-page document detailing the compilation of new evidence. Now the fresh set of charges claim that the former president broke federal law in his efforts to overturn the results of 2020 presidential poll. Now this filing is the latest effort by Smith to illustrate that how presidential immunity does not apply to Trump's actions in this case. And this also comes just a month before the presidential polls. Now, according to the new report, Trump was warned by his campaign officials that there likely would not be enough ballots counted on election night to know who won. However, he decided beforehand that he would declare victory either way. Now, Trump repeatedly claimed that there was fraud in the election and directed the campaign and his lawyers to look into the case. Trump's team reportedly told him that there was no evidence of election fraud. Moreover, his vice president at that time, Mike Pence, also told Trump to take a bow and think about running in 2024. However, the report states that Trump thought it was too long to wait. The report goes on to say that Trump continued his plot to try to overturn the election. Trump reportedly called Georgia's Secretary of State, Brad Raffensperger, pressurizing him to find about 11,000 votes to overturn the results of the election. Now, Trump and his conservative allies tried to twist the arms of legislators to appoint fake electors that could be counted by Congress. Now, Smith's report broadly outlines that Trump's plot to overturn the results of the election was brazen and a major threat to American democracy. And because of it, even today, millions of Trump supporters believe that the last election was actually stolen. Now, Trump has continued to raise the specter of election interference even in his current campaign, reiterating false claims of widespread voter fraud. His claims have now been echoed by his current running mate, Senator J.D. Vance. The case is currently delayed until after Election Day. Though the prospects of a trial are uncertain, particularly in the event that Trump wins the presidency. Political analysts, however, believe that if Trump returns to the White House, he will appoint a new Attorney General seeking the dismissal of this case. Now, but one thing is for sure clear, that this case is far from over and the next chapter could reshape the political landscape of the United States.